Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to fix a green line on your Android phone screen and get your display back to normal. It can be incredibly frustrating to see lines on your display, but we have a few simple solutions to help you resolve this issue, so now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 is to press and hold the power button on the side of your device until the power menu with the restart option appears on your screen. Step 2 is to tap on restart and wait for your phone to fully reboot its operating system. Method 2. Step 1 is to open the Settings app on your Android device to access the core configuration of your phone. Step 2 is to scroll down to the bottom, go to System, and then click System Update to see if a fix is available. Outdated software can sometimes lead to display issues, and installing a new update can provide the necessary drivers to repair the screen. Method 3. Step 1 is to open the Settings app and tap on the search icon located at the top right of the interface. Step 2 is to search for Reset within the search bar to pull up all related recovery options. This allows you to find deep system settings that are normally hidden, which is important when you need to perform a more serious fix for your screen. Step 3 is to tap Factory Data Reset or erase all data to return your phone to its original out-of-the-box state. This is a final resort that removes all software bugs and conflicting apps, but remember to back up your files first as it will wipe the device. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.